Hi there, students. Okay, this video is more of these destructive words. Extirpate, eradicate, exterminate, and then two more informal examples, wipe out and tear down. So let's start with extirpate, which is by far the most formal of these words. It means to destroy completely, to kill all traces of, to kill off. Okay, so I want to extirpate all memories of that bad situation from my mind. Okay, so it can either be to wipe away completely so that there's no sign left, or to kill all of. In gardening, you can extirpate a plant. You pull it up by the roots. So you could extirpate certain types of behavior that are undesirable. I wish we could extirpate rudeness from our society. I think it's going to be very difficult to extirpate all signs of pollution from our planet. Doctors also use this word in surgery to mean to remove an organ completely. So maybe one of your kidneys is diseased and the surgeon extirpates your kidney. He cuts it out and he takes it out completely. Okay, so to extirpate can either be to kill off. So I'm trying to extirpate the green fly, the aphids from my roses, eradicate them completely. Okay, so you can extirpate something that is living to kill it, or you can extirpate all signs of something. Yeah, you can eradicate it, you can rub it out so that nobody can see it anymore. Okay, let's look at the next word, to eradicate. Okay, this is to rub out all signs of something, to erase, to rub out. So you could eradicate an animal from a place. I'm trying to eradicate the cockroaches from my drains. Or you could eradicate all signs of the fact that I was here. Yeah, I want to eradicate all memories of that horrible situation. Yeah, so to eradicate, to rub out, to take away all signs of something. But then as well, the Nazis tried to eradicate the Jews. So to take away all signs of them. The next word is to exterminate. So you exterminate something living. You kill all of. To exterminate is like to annihilate. You exterminate something that is alive. So the policy was to exterminate all of this type of pest in the house. Yeah, an exterminator kills ants and cockroaches and rats and mice. Let's see. In my house I have mice sometimes, and I don't think it's going to be possible to eradicate the mice, to get rid of all of them. But I do try to exterminate them from time to time. I try and kill as many as possible. Yeah? So to exterminate is to try to kill all of. whereas eradicate is to rub out all signs of. So notice you exterminate something living. The next phrase is to wipe out. To wipe out is to kill all of. Yeah. So, as in my example in the previous video, all of the Aborigines in Tasmania were wiped out. There were none left. They were completely killed. Yeah, they use this phrase to wipe out financially as well. He invested all his money in the stock market, in leveraged investments. And when the market went down, he was wiped out. He had absolutely no money left. So to wipe out is to destroy all of, leaving nothing. Yeah? There might still be signs that it used to be like that, eradicate, but to wipe out, to kill all of. Yeah? You wipe out normally something living. And then finally, to tear down. You have a piece of paper and you tear it. You tear down a building. To tear down, to demolish. They're going to tear down this building and build and construct a new shopping centre. Yeah? You tear down a construction. Normally it's a building. Yeah? They put up a building, and if the building gets burnt, then maybe they tear it down and put up a new one and make a new one. Okay, so extirpate, to remove all traces of and destroy completely. To eradicate, to eliminate all signs of something. To exterminate, to try to kill all of, to annihilate. I think about Doctor Who and the Daleks say, exterminate, exterminate. To wipe out, to kill all of, yeah? To get rid of absolutely every single living one so that there's nothing left. This pesticide will wipe out the ants. And then a building, you tear down a building. You construct something and then you tear it down, you demolish it. Okay, one thing, to extirpate. The origin of this one is from Latin, and it's ex stirps. Stirps is the stem. So pull out the stem, pull out by the roots. Yeah? You have a plant, you pull it out by the roots, and that's the idea of extirpate. Okay, so now let's look at formality. To extirpate is extremely formal. I give it an 8 out of 10 in formality. You may find that many native speakers have to go and look it up after you use it. Also, extirpate is a regular verb. Extirpate, extirpated. What about a less formal synonym for extirpate? To eradicate. Eradicates a neutral verb, maybe ever so slightly formal. Extirpate is something that you need to use in your formal writing. Don't use it in a conversation. Okay, to eradicate is slightly formal. Notice as well it's a regular verb. Maybe 5.5 in formality. It's good for your writing, and it's good if you're talking to your friends as well. To exterminate is definitely neutral, a 5 out of 10 in formality. You can use it in casual conversation, you can use it in academic writing. Now we come to the 2 phrasal verbs. To wipe out, okay? Oh, I should have said exterminate is a regular verb. Exterminate, exterminated. Wipe out is also a regular verb. He wiped it out, so it's separable because this is a phrasal verb. This is maybe 4.5 in formality. This is much more suitable for a casual conversation. A more formal phrase would be exterminate, yeah, or if you like, extirpate. And then finally, to tear down. This is an informal phrasal verb. Okay, good for conversations, but not for your writing. More formally, I would say the verb to demolish. And remember, to tear is an irregular verb. Tear, tore, torn. They tore the building down. They tore it down. So it's a separable phrasal verb. Okay? So there you go. Extirpate, eradicate, exterminate, wipe out, and tear down. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.